Today, we're building a slick snake game in Python with Pygame. Think cool menus, difficulty levels, and a smooth snake design. This won't be a line-by-line bore fest. I'll show you the fun stuff and how it works, so let's dive in. This will be the workflow of our project in the rest of the video. Step 1, we need to create a window. Step 2, we need to develop the gameplay. Step 3, we need to define the main function.
First, we create a Python file in VS Code. Then we kick things off by importing the libraries we need: Pygame for the game engine, random for spawning food and obstacles, and time for that pulsing food effect. Then we initialize Pygame with Pygame init. This gets everything ready to roll. Next, we define some colors. Think of these as our paint palette. We also set up the window. 800 pixels wide, 600 tall, and a block size of 10. That's how small our snake segments are. The window's created with pygame.display.set mode, and we give it a title, Snake Game, with set caption. Oh, and we've got a clock to control the game speed, super important. We define the snake class. It starts in the screen's center with one segment. The snake has a direction, starting with right, and moves using arrow keys. The change direction method ensures it can't reverse into itself, like no going left if you're moving right. The move method updates its position, grows the snake when it eats food, and checks if it's eaten.